Do you know the story of a father asked to sacrifice the one he loved most? A son who smiled in the face of death? A mother whose trust in Allah was stronger than fear? A devil who tried to break them but failed? Today I will tell you the story. That is not just a story, but it's the living soul of sacrifice, faith and submission. Long ago, in the blessed land of Palestine, lived a prophet whose heart beat only for his creator, that is Ibrahim. He was tested in fire, in rejection, in exile, and he passed every trial. But one prayer remained unanswered, the prayer for a child. In his old age, Allah finally answered and blessed him with a son, Prophet Ismail, who was gentle, righteous, pure. Born from Hazrat Hajra, a woman of strength and devotion, the boy became the joy of their hearts. But this joy was not to remain untouched by trials. Years passed, and then came the dream, the divine vision. Prophet Ibrahim saw himself sacrificing Ismail, not once, not twice, but over and over the dream returned. He knew that it was a command from Allah. He prepared himself, and then he prepared his son. "O my son," he said, "I have seen in a dream that I must sacrifice you. What do you say?" Without a flicker of fear, Prophet Ismail replied, "O my father, do what you are commanded. Insha'Allah, you will find me among the patient." But the test didn't end there. As Prophet Ibrahim was on his way to Mina with Ismail, Shaitan appeared and whispering in his heart, "What are you doing? Are you really going to kill your own son?" Prophet Ibrahim, recognizing the devil, he picked up stones and threw them at him, rejecting his whispers. Frustrated, Shaitan went to Hazrat Hajra, the boy's mother, and said, "Do you know what your husband is going to do? He's going to slaughter your only son." But Hazrat Hajra, a woman of immense faith, replied with calm conviction, "If Allah has commanded it, then let it be. I trust my Lord." Shaitan failed. Furious, he turned to Prophet Ismail, hoping to plant fear and rebellion in the young boy's heart, said, "Your father is going to kill you." But Prophet Ismail, strong in faith even as a boy, answered, "Then let him. If it is Allah's will, I am pleased." After rejecting Shaitan, Prophet Ibrahim gently laid his son on the ground. To spare himself the pain of seeing his son's face, he blindfolded himself. With a heart trembling, but faith unshaken, he raised the knife. In that sacred, silent moment, the skies held their breath. But as he brought the knife down, something miraculous happened. The knife did not cut. Allah, in his infinite mercy, had intervened. A voice from the heavens called, "O Ibrahim, you have fulfilled the vision." Indeed, this was a clear test. "And we ransomed him with a great sacrifice." Allah had accepted Ibrahim's obedience, and instead of Prophet Ismail, a ram from Jannah was sent down to be sacrificed in his place. This act of supreme submission became one of the greatest examples of faith, love for Allah, and surrender to His will. To this day, Muslims all over the world honor this moment during Eid al-Adha by sacrificing animals and remembering the unwavering obedience of Prophet Ibrahim and his family. This story teaches us that when you give up what you love for the sake of Allah, He replaces it with something greater. True success lies in obedience, even when it breaks your heart. So, my dear friends, this story tells us that true faith means obeying Allah, even in the hardest moments. It shows that when we trust Him fully, He rewards us with mercy greater than we can imagine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to watch more such videos.